Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, May 22nd. I'm going to be analyzing the pound US dollar, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So on the pound dollar monthly, I'm definitely still looking at this as a move to the upside. I still think we need to either go up and make a running flat wave C, which would most likely bring us up to one of these two Fibonacci extension levels, or possibly it's a expanding flat wave C, which would bring us up to one of the higher Fib levels, 161.8 or 178.6 Fibonacci extension. Either way, I don't think it's that important to know because either way, I think it's going to lead to a pretty big uptrend on the shorter time frames. Heading down to the weekly time frame, I think this is the end of that wave 2. I think this right here is a 1 of 3. I think this is a WXY, which I think is a 2 of 3, and I still think that this is very likely in an uptrend for either the wave 3 of C or which is an expanding flat, or the wave 3 of C, which would be a running flat, just like I was explaining on the monthly time frame. Heading down to the daily, definitely to me it still looks like a 1, it still looks like a 2. And I still think we're in a wave 3. Most likely place for a wave 3 to end is the 161.8 Fibonacci extension right around the high of wave X. So I'm definitely still bullish. I'm not really convinced that this is actually over. I think it's more likely going to stretch out even more to make a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which I think is a wave 1 of that wave 3 trend that I was explaining on the higher time frames. Taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, it does kind of seem pretty likely that maybe we're going to make a pullback, but for me, I'm not really interested in shorting unless it goes down and breaks structure very clearly, because my overall targets are still very, very high up there. I mean, it may go down, but I still think the trend is up. I still think this is 5 ways up for a 1. I think this is a big expanding flat wave 2, and I think we are in a wave 3. Definitely still looking for longs in an uptrend for this wave 3. Taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we had some pound CPI news today, caused it to go up, but it looks like it's reversing back down. This whole thing right here looks extremely sideways, extremely corrective. So I think this actually could be almost like an expanding flat type scenario, which means it may make a 5-way pattern down, but this 5 waves actually could be a wave C. This might just be either an irregular ABC correction or like an expanding flat type scenario, and once this is complete, it's probably just going to keep on trending up. Now, it doesn't really necessarily have to make a downtrend that goes all the way down, takes out the lower wave A. It could possibly just go back down to maybe these lower structure levels, make a break of structure to the upside, and continue the uptrend. You know, depending on what time frames you trade, if you trade below the 1 hour, you should probably be looking for shorts. If you trade above the 1 hour, then you're probably waiting for the end of this correction to go long for the continuation of this wave 3 on the much higher time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all the daily live analysis and trading sessions, where I cover every single pair on this list over here from top to bottom. And it also gives you access to all my swing trade / day trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.